Good day, YouTubers. Today we're going to be changing the kitchen faucet in my fifth wheel RV. This is the original faucet that came from the factory. The dear wife doesn't like it because it splashes too much. So we're going to be changing it with a Moen that we purchased from Lowe's. Okay, I've turned off the water. I've laid a towel down here to catch any extra water. The fittings on my new faucet are different from the faucet from the RV company. So what I've done is I've purchased a couple of shutoff valves. So since I have to change the fittings anyway, I'm going to change them to shutoff valves. Okay, so I'm using 1/2-inch PEX to 3/8 compression fitting, which will match the hoses and fittings that come with the new faucet. So once the old fitting is cut off, put my PEX compression fitting on and add the shutoff valve. And of course, the hot will be exactly the same thing as the cold. All right, the next thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to loosen this nut, which holds the old faucet to the countertop, and remove the old faucet. Now that the faucet is installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, the next step would be to connect the water lines and turn the water on. Now these fittings do not need to be very tight. Hand tighten them and then just snug them with a wrench, 1/4 to 1/2 a turn. The next step would be to test your faucet for leaks. All right, so I've connected the fittings, snugged them gently with a wrench, turned on both the hot and the cold valve. We have no water leaks. We have now successfully replaced the RV faucet with a household water faucet. Hopefully this will help you when time comes to change yours. One last little note. Be sure you have all the right tools. My old one was very, very difficult to get out because of the style of the nut that they used. Happy dishwashing.